Hey guys, in this video we're going to be learning how to write equations from tables. So the first step is identifying what function this is. So I see that my y's aren't repeating and I see that the y values increase by a constant rate of +1. So this tells me that this is a linear function. So linear function, and a linear function has the slope y equals mx plus b, where the m is my slope or the constant rate of change, perfect, and then my b value is my intercept, y-intercept to be precise. Okay, so y equals, so when I write my function for this, I'm going to say y equals, and then my m, which is my constant rate of change, that's going to be this +1. So 1 times x plus, and then my b value is my y-intercept, so your y-intercept is 0, y, or 0, b, sorry. So 0 for my x, and then we have a 3 for y, so it's going to be +3. And we can write this as y equals x plus 3 because 1 times anything is itself. So this is how you'd write an equation for a linear table. Now let's check this one out. We have something very obvious here. We have a repeating y value. So this tells us that this is a quadratic function. So a quadratic function has the formula y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, our a value is going to be the half of the second difference. So I'm going to show you what that means in a second, but a half of the second difference. Second difference. And then your b value, this is going to be found through substitution, found using substitution, and then your c value, this is going to be the y-intercept. Okay, so now that we know this is quadratic, we need to find the second difference. So what is that? So here we see that all the numbers, they increase by what number? So from 5 to 2, that's a -3. 2 to 1, -1. 1 to 2, that's a +1. And then 2 to 5, that's +3. And then 3 to 5, that's +5. Now, within these numbers, this is our first difference kind of thing. This is our first difference. Our second difference is going to be finding out the difference between these gray numbers. So from -3 to -1, that's +2, -1 to 1, +2, 1 to 3, +2, and 3 to 5, +2. So my second difference is 2, but my a value is going to be half of that. So 2 divided by 2, that's 1. So y equals 1 times x squared. And then our b value is going to be found through substitution. So I'm going to just write bx for now. And our c value is going to be the y-intercept. So y-intercept, again, remember, it's 0, b. So my x is 0 here, and then my y value is 1. So my c value is going to be 1. So now I can choose any point and kind of substitute those values in to solve for my b value. So let's go ahead and choose 2 and 1. So these points right over here, it doesn't matter, you can choose any of them. So 2 equals 1 times any number is 1, right? So 1 times 1 squared plus bx, and x is 1, so b times 1 plus 1. So simplify, 1 squared is 1. 1 times 1, that's going to give me 1, but just go step by step. So 1 times 1 is going to give me 1 plus 1 times b is b plus 1. And then 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2 equals b plus 2. And then I subtract 2 on both sides and I get 0 equals b. So my b value is 0. And remember, 0 times any number is 0. So my new equation would be y equals 1 times x squared plus 0 times x plus 1. We can simplify this. Any number times 1 is itself, so x squared, plus 0 times x, that cancels out to 0 plus 1, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So y equals x squared plus 1. And this is your equation for this quadratic table.